I've been going over the numbers for the community center again. If we keep spending at this rate, we're going to run into a huge deficit over the next couple of years. We might have to start rethinking how we're going to go about funding this thing. Oh, here we go. You and your spreadsheets again. Didn't you mess up the budget the last time you tried to fix something like this? That's not really the point. The numbers are what they are. We're spending more than we're bringing in. Yeah, but you're the one saying it. I don't think you're exactly the right guy to be lecturing anyone about finances. It's not about me. It's about whether the plan's actually going to work. Did you catch that? Harry presented a specific evidence-based argument. The budget proposal is mathematically impossible. But what did Larry do? Did he point out an error in the math? Did he propose a different way of balancing the budget? No. He attacked Harry's character. Ad hominem is Latin for to the person. It occurs when someone avoids the substance of an argument by attacking the character or the motives or the tactics or the traits of the person making the argument. In this case, Larry used character attack, he attacked the motives, and he discredited the source of the information rather than focusing on the information itself. And you could see how it shifted the conversation. It went from talking about budgets to talking about Harry's personality. It's a distraction tactic, and it's used to derail logic and win an argument without ever having to prove the opponent wrong. So the next time you're in the middle of a debate, whether it's social media or the dinner table, doesn't really matter. Just ask yourself, is this person addressing the claim that I'm making, or are they just attacking me or some other speaker who's talking about the topic? If the focus shifts from what's being said to who is saying it, you've likely spotted the ad hominem fallacy. Don't let the distraction win. Stay focused on the facts. Thanks very much for taking some time to check out this short little video here. If you enjoy content like this and if you find it useful, there's a lot more that you can find at quietfrontier.com. That's where I post a lot of writing about mind, meaning, society, culture. So I'd really appreciate it if you took some time to check it out. Thanks again for watching. Take care.
That you see